Hi, I'm Eric. Today I'd like to talk to you about Eaton's Wi-Fi product portfolio, specifically our voice dimmer with Alexa built in. The dimmer sets up quickly and easily with the Alexa app. No hubs or controllers are necessary, and frustration-free setup makes the connection a breeze. Alexa voice control is built in and easily integrated throughout the home. Schedule the lights to go on and off, dim to fit your daily routine, and even set timers or make announcements. Let's walk through a typical installation. First, you'll need the following materials: the voice dimmer with Alexa built in, a Phillips head screwdriver, wire strippers, and a voltage tester. Turn the breaker off and double check that the lights cannot be turned on before starting the installation process. I have hired a licensed electrician to perform the installation of our voice dimmer. Remove the existing device and carefully separate the conductors. To save time, we have already done so. Make sure that the conductors are not touching each other and turn the breaker on. With extreme caution, use the voltage tester to identify the hot conductor that reads voltage or shows energized. This conductor is typically black. This is the breaker or line conductor and should be marked for reference. Turn the breaker off and assure the circuit is de-energized. Identify the other black conductor going to the light fixture. This is the load conductor. Identify the white conductor or neutral wire required for the operation of this device. For a three-way installation, use the red or traveler conductor that would go to the three-way switch. For all wire connections, use the wire nuts provided with the voice dimmer to make all connections secure. Connect the bare or green copper conductor to the green conductor on the voice dimmer. Connect the white conductor to the box to the white conductor on the voice dimmer. Connect the black conductor marked hot to the box to the black conductor on the voice dimmer. Connect the black conductor marked load in the box to the red conductor on the voice dimmer. For a three-way installation, connect the red or traveler conductor in the box to the blue conductor on the voice dimmer. Otherwise, cap the blue conductor. Wiring for the device is now complete. Check to make sure all connections are secure and wire nuts are properly installed. Install the device in the wall box, paying attention to the orientation of the device. The word top is engraved on the ground strap for guidance. Install the wall plate as well. When ready, turn breaker on. Check the on-off function on the voice dimmer by pressing the on-off button. For additional support, refer to the instruction sheets available online or contact Eaton's technical support team. For more information on the complete Wi-Fi smart product portfolio, visit eaton.com/smart home.